Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Minal Nerkar, working as an assistant professor in computer department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to see how to convert the infix expression into postfix expression using the stack. Now we know that there are many applications of stack. Some are expression evaluation, expression conversion, backtracking. Okay. So out of that, we will see the expression conversion. Okay. So expressions can be denoted in three different forms: infix expression, prefix expression, and postfix expression. As shown over here, the infix expression means what? The operator is in between the two operands. In prefix format, the operator is for comes first and then the operands. Okay. In postfix format, the operator is at the end, or it is postfixed. Okay. So operator is at the end. Okay. Now an expression can be written in these three forms. Okay. But all these three forms are equivalent. They are representing the same expression. Okay. We are normally we are using in our day to day life, we are using the infix format, whereas if we want to remove the concept of the brackets, okay, we can make use of the prefix form and the postfix form. Okay. So the steps for converting the infix to the postfix are nothing but first we have to take one empty stack. Okay. That stack is used for storing the operators. Okay. Okay. Then the second step is we have to scan the expression, infix expression, from left to right. And while scanning the expression from left to right, we may come across either the operand or the starting parenthesis or ending parenthesis or the operator. Okay. So if we come across the operand, what we need to do? We have to append that operand to the end of the output string. And if we come across the starting bracket or starting parenthesis, we have to push that parenthesis onto the operator stack. If we come across the closing bracket, we have to pop all the elements from the stack till we got the first occurrence of the starting bracket. Okay. And if we come across the operator, we have to push it onto the stack top. But while pushing, we have to check the priority. We cannot push the low priority operator on the top of the high priority operator. So while pushing, you have to see see to it that they are using some rule. Okay. Then the third step is when the input expression has been completely processed, check the operator stack. Okay. If any operators are still onto the stack, it can be removed and appended to the postfix string. Now we will see one example, and before seeing that example, we will see the order of evaluation. Okay, as I said in the last point, if we come across the operator, we have to follow certain rules. So these rules are nothing but it should follow our BODMAS rule. Okay, so you all are aware with the BODMAS rule. Okay. B is nothing but the bracket. O is nothing but the order. Okay. D is nothing but division and multiplication. Okay. And addition, subtraction. Okay. So always while evaluating, So order of evaluation of the operator should be like this only. Always if there is a bracket, the expression within the bracket should be executed first. After that, if you have written any ordered expression like x square or square root of x, so that particular thing, ordered thing, should be executed. Then the next priority is to the division and multiplication. Division and multiplication is having the same priority, and the last priority is for the addition and subtraction. And operators with the same priority are evaluated always from left to right. Okay, so if this rule is clear to all of you, it will be very easy to convert infix expression to the postfix expression. Now see this example. This infix expression is given. Why it is called as infix? Because the operator is in between the operands. Okay, so this infix expression we have to convert it into the postfix format. So we have to follow the algorithm which we have seen just now. So as per the first step, we have to maintain a stack for storing the operator. This is the stack. Okay. Now, then next thing is the output string. So initially the output string is empty. Now scan the expression from left to right. So order is like this. Scanning is in this way or in this direction. Now while scanning, see over here in this table we have maintained these three columns, that is the expression, okay, then the stack content and the output string. So the first token is 2. 2 is nothing but the operand. So if it is operand, simply we need to append it to the output string. So nothing will get stored onto the stack top. So output is 2. Now then the next token is the operator. If it is operator, what we need to do? We have to push it onto the stack top. So multiplication is pushed onto the stack top. Okay. Now then the next character. Next character is the operand. Okay. So if it is operand, we have to append it to the string, output string. Now then the next character is the operator. If it is operator, we have to push it onto the stack top. But while pushing, it should follow the BODMAS rule. Now multiplication and division is having the same priority. So what we need to do? We have to first pop this multiplication operator and append it to the output string. Now there will be nothing onto the stack top, and then after that we have to push this division operator onto the stack. Okay. Now the next thing is starting bracket. If starting bracket comes, then what we need to do? We have to push it onto the stack top. Okay, so starting bracket, and there is no change in the output string. Now then the next character is operand. Next token is operand. So if it is operand, simply we are appending it to the existing postfix string. Now then the next character is the operator minus sign. So if it is an operator, now this operator minus sign is having the least priority. So push it onto the stack top. Okay, I can push the minus sign onto the stack top because the even though it is a minus sign, that minus sign is within the bracket. Okay, and bracket is having the highest priority. So minus sign is pushed onto the stack top. Now then the next character or next token is operand. So as it is a operand, we have to append it. Next is ending bracket. When we come across the ending bracket, pop all the elements from the stack till we got the first occurrence of the starting bracket. So pop this minus sign, append it to the existing string, okay, and then simply pop the starting bracket. Okay, starting bracket need not be append to the existing postfix string. Okay, then the next character is the operator plus sign. So plus sign we have to push onto the stack top, but while pushing, plus is having less preference over the or less priority over the division. So what we need to do, we have to first pop this division and append it to the existing postfix expression, and after that we have to push the plus sign onto the stack top. Okay, now after that the 5 comes. So 5 is the operand. So simply append it. Next is the multiplication operator. So multiplication operator is having higher priority than that of the plus. So I can push that multiplication operator onto the stack top. Now then the next thing is the operand. So as it is operand, we have to display or append it. Okay. Now the string is over. We come to the end of the string. So if the string is over, what we need to do? Pop all the elements onto the pop all the operators from the stack and append it to the existing postfix operator. So first pop is nothing but the multiplication sign, and the second pop will give you the plus sign. Okay, now the stack is empty. So whatever you are getting in the output string, that is nothing but the equivalent postfix expression of the given infix expression. That's all. Okay, thank you.